What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Seth's Project. My name is Seth, and I hope that you guys are doing fantastic. I spent a lot of time working on this case, as you might be able to tell from the lack of uploads. This case has taken me a whole lot longer than I anticipated, but I'm pretty pleased with how it's turned out so far, and I hope you guys like it as well. The nice thing about gluing up panels is that you get to choose what side of the board you want to be on the show side, and that allows you to hide some imperfections in the wood. I really don't have the proper tools for getting this wide of a panel perfectly square, but I did the best I could with what I have. Trying to get hand tools right now is about impossible. As you can tell, I bought a Stanley No. 6 hand plane on eBay, and I only did that because I wanted to upgrade the blade later on, and I actually bought an IBC blade, and they have yet to ship it, and it's been about 2 months. COVID really kind of messed everything up when it comes to hand tools, it seems like. I would have loved to bought a Wood River No. 6, but that isn't happening anytime soon, unfortunately. Here I'm cutting a rabbet on the inside face of the side panel. This allows me to get the dovetails aligned way easier. You'll see what I mean in just a second. These dovetails really kicked my, I must have been rusty because I couldn't saw straight to save my life. I don't really know what it was. I should have done one panel at a time. It would have probably been easier and more accurate. Chiseling the waist is one of the most important steps in dovetails. You need to make sure you get all the waist out of the corners, because if you don't, the dovetails won't seat all the way, and you'll most likely be pretty sad. So, what's the green tape for? Well, it's really so I don't cut past my baseline, and it also helps me see the line when I'm sawing. I owe this trick really to Mike Pekovich. You might be wondering where the tape went on the end grain, and actually off camera, I pre-sawed the kerf and then took the tape off. I'm not really sure why I did that, but that's where it went. Now it is time to cut the groove for what will eventually be the door with the Kumiko panel, which I'm really excited for. This was pretty simple. I just put the groove where the tails are in the pin board. And this means I don't have to do the stop groove, just saves a little bit of time. As you can tell, this is not the best way to cut these tenons on the case sides, but it works. I might need a new blade now though. Rest in peace to my $110 blade. Well, this is the fun part, gluing together these extremely tight dovetails. As you can tell, I really had to hammer them home. Well, they did go home at least. And, well, it was a lot of hard work. The proud dovetails definitely made it a little more difficult. And if I had to do it again, I probably wouldn't do the proud dovetails, just for the simple fact it's so much easier to finish everything up and put a coat of finish on it in the very end. Because with these proud dovetails, it just makes it a whole lot more difficult. So here's what it looks like with the beeswax finish. And you just gotta love walnut with a finish. Almost makes all the hard work worth it. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for sticking around this long. As of right now that I'm editing this video, I'm 3 subs away from 8,000, and that is amazing to me. So thank you guys for the little milestone as well. We have more dovetails in the next episode. We're going to be making the drawer and drawer case. After that, we're going to be making what I've been waiting for so long, and that is the Kumiko panel. So I hope you guys are as excited about that as me. And thank you guys so much for watching again. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next one.